Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys I am going to show guys how can you solve guys internet problem in your Realme phone guys. You want to solve guys your internet problem in your Realme phone. So friends you can solve it, and guys now let's see how to solve mobile internet problem in our Realme phone. In this video guys I will show you friends. So first of all guys, what will you have to do guys? You will have to come in guys your phone setting, and guys scroll it, and guys you can see guys your system settings. So guys tap here and guys scroll it again guys, you can see backup and reset. So guys tap here, guys click on reset option, and guys click on this reset setting. So guys network setting has been, you can see the network setting completed. Then guys you can use guys your internet without any problem. After that guys you have any problem in your Realme phone device, so guys don't worry guys, take a screenshot of your phone model number guys, send me on comment section, I will check, I will help you. So friends, now we will meet on next video guys, and guys I don't have charge in my phone, and guys now I am going to charge my phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to solve internet problem. So that's it guys, thanks for watching, bye bye friends, we will meet on next video.